parents, the most important role in the development of children is that of the teacher. पंडित श्रीराम शर्मा आचार्य. बुक टाइटल: शिक्षक समुदाय अपना उत्तरदायित्व निभाने आगे आएं. The teachers should to come forward to shoulder upon their duties. Role of a teacher. The teacher does the work of teaching and guiding an entire new generation. The teacher amplifies and enhances the abilities and talents of the children through education. Also, his personality and demeanor silently leaves an imprint. Whatever is the nature of behavior of the teacher is sure to affect the students. From this point of view, the role and responsibility of the teacher becomes even more critical. Has teaching become a mere profession today? Today, at many places, teaching is considered just like a job where the employee writes on the blackboard, reads books, or arranges completion of the courses. This has many disadvantages, such as converting the pious relationship between students and teachers into a formal one that sometimes is devoid of the dignity that this reward relationship demands, and also builds up tension, etc. It is unfortunate to limit the importance and responsibility of education and teachers in such a narrow purview. How was teaching done in the yesteryears? In ancient times, children were sent to ashrams or gurukuls under the protection of qualified gurus to understand things. While leaving the gurukul, the students could fulfill their family and social responsibilities because of the learnings received in the ashram. In ancient times, teachers looked forward to simplicity in place of luxury. Leading an ascetic life in place of convenience was their ideal, and all this was a part of their overall teaching too. Their knowledge, their world, their demeanor, and their lifestyle. What will you find in this book? Glad to present a small book on the impact and importance of teachers in students' lives. What should be the philosophy of teaching in today's time? Responsibilities of guardians. How should the relation between teacher and student be? The need to maintain dignity in interactions, etc. Few excerpts from the book. The teacher should instill faith in the students towards himself. Along with this, it is also necessary that the parents should also behave respectfully towards them. In the religious scriptures, mother, father, and acharya, three are considered important in creating a child. Mother and father take care of the children, and the teacher develops his or her intellectual and spiritual qualities and character. Practical education in character building cannot be found in books. That is done by closely observing the person's character and conduct. Rabindranath Tagore, in terms of education, said, "I have learnt a fact, a person can learn from another person only. Just as water fills a reservoir, a lamp burns from a lamp, in the same way, life force becomes conscious from another life force. Character built seeing character in others. When connected with a guru, a student becomes a human getting inspired by the guru." Important topics covered in the book are: first, importance of teachers; second, importance of guardians; and third, Guru's philosophy of teaching in ancient times.